Molly. Tonight's piece is going to be a commission piece from a guy named Chris on Instagram. And he kept sending me all these different underwater reef pictures. But what he came up with was he kind of wanted 3 separate Dutch pours in different colors, but on the same canvas. So I thought, okay, I'm up for a challenge. I'll try. I've never done it. And he wanted one corner kind of on a square canvas with nothing on it. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope it's going to be kind of cool. Maybe the kind of negative space will add a little bit of dimension, but I don't know. We'll see. So wish me luck. Okay, you guys. So I was contacted by this guy, Chris, on Instagram. He's actually really funny, and he bought a couple pieces, but then he asked me to do a commission piece, and he sent me all these different photos with all these different colors, and he wants 3, 1 with negative space, but 3 basically blown out things to look like a nebula. So that's what I'm gonna try tonight. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I'm gonna do it a little bit closer to the center, because really what I'm gonna do is just blow out this way. He really wanted lime green in there. So this side is going to be phthalo blue. They're totally different colors, you guys. So this side's going to be phthalo blue, lime green, manganese, and, oh, I forgot my white. Do just a little bit of white through there. Oh, okay, this side is gonna be, ugh, yikes, red. He wanted this side to look like fire. So I guess yellow. I mean, I'm always willing to try something new, you know? So, I don't know why this makes me giggle, but I have no idea what this is gonna turn out like. And then orange again. Get a little bit of white in that one. And I think I'll do this corner up here as the gold. Oh, I should have started a little bit closer in. Phthalo green. An aqua phthalo color that I made. So I'll do the same design coming outward like that. And I don't know, we'll see what happens, right? That's all you can do when you're working on a piece, is just see what happens. And then my white through this one too. Okay, so now I've got to decide, do I want to put any black in these? I might do just a dribble of black, aka the whole jug. Okay. So now I'm going to put a little bit, what I've got left around here to help it flow. And then I'm gonna leave that side alone. I don't know what this is gonna turn out like, you guys. Okay, so again, I've been doing not actually blowing over. I've just been blowing it out, so I think that's what I'll do this time. Ooh, the fire one is really cool. So I actually do want to start, I think, with the black and blow it this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start with the black right there and just kind of blow it over it. Oh, it's the last little bit I've got left. Wow, the fire one looks so freaking cool. I hope the other ones look as good as that one. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. A little bit more lime green because he wanted lime green. Wow, I actually like it. This is amazing. Okay, last one. I feel like that one could have used a little something. Maybe like a little bit of a contrasting color to carry it through right there, so that that one will look like it had that. This was very interesting, but I'll tell you what, I'm in love with this one. I'm in love with each of them separately. I don't know if they go together. I might try to fiddle with the middle a little bit, but each of these on their own, holy cow. Like, I might just try to draw them almost like they're into the center. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Almost like they're converging, you know? I wish I hadn't blown that whole piece, but maybe I can help it with this. I really like it. I don't know. I'm very surprised. I was not thinking that that would be what was gonna pop up at all. I think maybe a little bit more red right through here, because I really like that fire one. That's really cool. I don't want to fiddle too much, you know? And he wanted negative space there on that end, so let's see. One more second. Okay, I like that that's spread out a little bit. So I thought that I was gonna hate this. Oop, there's my little eyeballs. But I love this. It's like a little splatter. Wow. Okay, let me hope that this dries okay, because I love this. Wow, you guys, this came out really, really beautiful. the lacing, and they do kind of converge there in the center. That gold ended up showing back up. The yellow didn't turn too greenish. There's a little bit of a tint right there, but that came out looking like fire. So I think I'm gonna do a fire pour on a black, kind of like a Dutch pour like I did this one, just blowing the colors out because the lacing and the cells are really cool. So I showed it and he liked it. And Chris is gonna get another one in a little bit different colors with the same technique. So I was really happy that, again, somebody inspired me to try something different. So thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, happy painting. Bye.